In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an Asana project private. First, sign into Asana. Open your browser, go to the Asana login page, and choose your usual sign-in method. I'll select Continue with Google and pick my account, but you can use whichever method your workspace supports. Once you're in, open the specific project you want to restrict so we can adjust its privacy. At the top right of the project, click Share. This opens the panel where you control who can see and work in the project. You'll notice information about your workspace or organization here. Click where it references your workspace to confirm you're editing the right context and to view sharing controls tied to that space. Next, set the project's visibility to private to members. This setting ensures only people explicitly added to the project can see its tasks, attachments, and updates. It's ideal for sensitive initiatives, early planning, or anything that shouldn't be visible across the broader team. With this on, the project won't appear to non-members in search or team project lists. Now manage members and task collaborators. In the same Share panel, review who currently has access. Add the colleagues who truly need it and remove anyone who no longer does. For each person, choose the appropriate role, such as can edit or can comment, based on what they need to accomplish. Keep in mind that task collaborators may still be able to see individual tasks they're directly added to, even if the project is private, so it's worth a quick check on sensitive tasks to confirm the right collaborators are listed. Look for a clear confirmation that Private to Members is active. In Asana, the selected privacy option is typically highlighted, and you may also notice a small lock icon near the project name. That highlight indicates your change has taken effect. When you're done, close the Share panel. Your project is now private to its members. If you ever need to broaden access, return to Share to invite additional people or change roles, or switch the visibility setting. A couple of quick best practices before we wrap up. Review membership regularly to keep access current. Use the most restrictive role that still lets teammates do their work, and be mindful of attachments and subtasks when dealing with confidential materials. With these steps, you'll keep your Asana project locked down to exactly the right audience while maintaining smooth collaboration for the people who need it.